Hello everybody. After going through the whole understanding of the plant and the mineral kingdom, now it is time to understand the animal kingdom. We are starting a course on the animal kingdom and its subclasses from 15th of March up to 1st of April 2021, 7 to 9 p.m. India time. What we are going to go through this is a whole understanding of the basic animal kingdom and all its subkingdoms. The understanding of the mammals, the reptiles, the birds, the insects, the spiders and the mollusks. We will be going through a lot of remedy differentiation which will help you understand the known and the lesser known remedies that are found in this kingdom. What I'm going to be going through is mammals. I'll be doing 2 sessions on mammals on 16th and 17th of March. Now, you know what has happened in our practice when we've understood the whole kingdom classification and the sub-kingdoms, it becomes easier and it's a guide to kind of coming to a smaller group of remedies. Like I'll tell you, it's helped us in some very difficult cases as well. We had one case at the other song, a case of hidradenitis suppurativa. Now this is a chronic and a painful skin condition which is presented with a lot of lumps in the axilla and the groins. It's primarily an inflammation and infection of the sweat glands. This young 24-year-old boy had come to us in a painful condition. He was really troubled. He had done a lot of medications. He had even gone through a surgery and had his sweat glands from the axilla removed to kind of allay this problem. But it did not help. It went further and it went to the groins, it went to his thighs. He was not able to walk because of this condition. It was painful, suppurative, there was discharge and nothing was really helping him. That's when we went into the depths and we took the whole case and tried to find out what was his inner experience, what was it that was troubling him internally. And what came out was a condition of chronic domination, a feeling of being suppressed at work, a feeling of being made to do all the dirty work. He said, everybody does good work and I am given the dirty, the mundane, the monotonous, the routine work to do. And he feels very bad about it. He feels very bad about himself because of that. There was a feeling of worthlessness that came up. And it is also transformed into a lot of anger and aggression. Not just at the workplace, it was outside. He came up with road rage. There was problems that he faced at his home and with his family too because of this. So it was a whole condition that needed healing. And he did beautifully on this wonderful mammalian remedy lac-acinum made from the donkey's milk, where the primary delusion is that they are doing the dirty work. They are the beasts of burden. They are made to carry heavy weights against their will, but they have no choice and they have to do it for survival. And there's more to the understanding of this case and this remedy, and we will be doing many more cases like this and its differentiations with other remedies. This boy did beautifully well with the remedy. His entire case solved, not just physically. His skin did well. His suppurative condition settled. All the lumps healed. He was able to walk. He was able to ride his bike. He even joined the gym. And he could do a lot of things which he was not able to do because of this condition. His mind eased up. There was a calm. He used to always say that I feel pressurized. I feel made to work against my will. And he no longer had that delusion any longer. He started enjoying his work. There was more peace and calm in his mind. And it was an overall improvement. So, we will be doing many more cases like this in the course that starts on this 15th of March. There'll be a lot of remedy differentiation, a lot of understanding of lesser known remedies. So I will urge you to come join us, take this animal tour with us. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you there, learning with you and enjoying the whole process. Thank you so much.